The way this LaBronze is hitting against this dirty money, honey, you may have just done a thing.
It ain't for everybody. Welcome to Hollywood, baby.
Picture.
Let's
Let's not even talk about it.
Starting off with Churro, I'm going to take that with my Morphe blending brush and just pat that into the crease. And I'm using that again just to blend out the product. Patting motions are the best way to get the color payoff that you're looking for. So again, you guys just see me continuing to pat and layer that color into my crease and building up that color. And then I'm gonna take a blank brush, and this is a Sonia Kashuk brush that I got from Target a few years ago to just blend that product out. Next, I'm going to dip into Sheen, which is a deeper brown, and I'm going to focus that color mainly on the outer corner. And this is actually what I use to start creating the wing, but basically I'm just patting that into the inner corner and a little bit into the crease, so that way I would have some depth once I place my lid shade on it. But I'm just basically dipping back and forth between patting that color onto my lid and then using the brush that I used to apply Churro into my crease to help blend that out. So basically the next few clips you guys are gonna see is me doing just that. And here, because I lost some of the intensity of that wing, you guys saw me applying more Sheen and then again blending with Churro to kind of create that nice gradient effect. This is my first time actually trying a look like this, so I think it turned out pretty good for my first time doing something like this on me. The next product you guys are going to see me use is my NYX glitter primer. It is the bomb. Shout out to my girl Natasha. Make sure you guys are following her on YouTube. Her channel is Natasha Smith. I'll make sure I'll leave that down in the description box below. But I'm using the glitter primer to help carve out my crease. This stuff is amazing. When I tell you, you do not get fallout and it makes the color really, really pop. I love this NYX glitter primer. On top of the glitter primer, I'm gonna dip into that same palette with the shade Dirty Money. It's this beautiful green, yellowish, I don't really know what to call it. Dirty Money is the perfect color, like the perfect name to give this color. It's so pretty. And as all of Dose of Colors shadows, it's super pigmented. So I'm just using that to pat that over my crease, and then I'm going back and forth between adding that actual color and then using Sheen, so that way it has a smooth transition. It's not just like that huge harsh line of demarcation. So that's basically what you guys see me doing, is now using Sheen to move that into Dirty Money to create that transition.
So now that I've completed my other eye, I'm just going to, because my base is obviously already done, I'm just gonna tighten up this wing with some powder and finish setting and doing the rest of my face. I'm just gonna bronze my face up a little bit using some of my Ebony bronze by CoverGirl. You guys know this is like the GOAT. This is my favorite.
As far as this lash, I will have more details coming really soon for you guys, so just hold on. I got you guys. This lash is so bomb.
Now that my lashes are on, I'm going to go ahead and tight line with my NYC liner. For some reason, I think this brand has been discontinued because I literally don't see it anywhere anymore, but this is the best black eyeliner I have ever owned. It's so creamy, so easy to blend out. So I'm just going to apply this into my waterline, and then I'm going to blend it out using Sheen, which is, Churro, sorry. I'm gonna blend it out using Churro, which is this shade right here. Take my pencil brush. This is the Sephora Rounded Smudge Brush number 12. I'm not sure if they still carry this, or if they do, it's probably different numbering, because I got this when I worked at Sephora, and that was like 6-7 years ago. So for a lightweight mascara, I'm going to be using, I guess this is Sumptuous Bold Volume Lifting Mascara by Estee Lauder. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my face. I'm going to be using Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade LaBronze. But first, I'm going to set my face using my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And you see how that gives just like a nice, subtle just, As always, I'm going to be using my Nika K lip liner in the shade Cocoa, and I'm going to come back for the lips. Ooh, this looks really pretty going into that dirty money. Bitch, we got a look on our hands. Like, wait till I get this hair done. Like, this is the completed makeup look. There will be a tutorial up on how I am styling my hair. That'll probably be the next video or maybe the first video. I'm not sure. It depends on how fast I can get my editing done. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, tell the whole world about me. I am back for real to do YouTube, and yeah, I'm trying to get as much content done as I can before I figure out what my next move is gonna be, literally. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on social media as well. I'll have them listed down below on here somewhere. Hopefully I'm not cutting myself off. Oh God, I'm ashy. But yeah, make sure you guys are following me, keep up with me, let me know what type of looks you guys want to see, and I will catch you guys in my next video.